looking at me, I'm looking back at you. You're sending me.
Hi you all, how are you? Welcome back to our channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far.
So today we're trying some designer dupes from Etsy. We bought from 5 different companies, 5 different designer dupes, and we just wanted to see how the overall quality was, how designer it looked, and for the price, how is it?
So I was surprised to see that on Etsy you can find designer dupes. It came up as an ad on my Facebook ad where there's an Etsy ad and it was showing Chanel this and Fendi this and whatever, and I was shocked. But anyway, I went onto the site and I saw that and we ordered some things to try out. But please understand, these things are similar. They are not the same. They are not branded as designer items. They're just called as designer inspired, right?
Yeah,
designer inspired
dupes.
Yeah.
So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's get on to the video.
So the first item that we saw on Etsy was a face mask. It had a huge name: Burberry, Gucci, LV, Hermes, Lacoste, Jordan, mask. And the cost was $9.99. But with tax and shipping, it cost us $14.61.
So as you can see, we're just opening it for the first time right now. So we decided to go with the Hermes print, and this did come from Nevada, but it came in like 3-4 days. So first impression, the fabric on the outside, it looks very nice. It has your classic Hermes Paris, and it has like little clocks on the side. The inside is like this nice soft fabric.
It's cotton. I think the inside is cotton.
And it has like elastics, so it does.
It seems kind of small. Like the width seems kind of small.
So I'm gonna take my glasses off because you guys know.
Ooh, that looks so cute. Oh my God.
It's super comfortable. It fits really nicely at the nose. It does not have a nose wire, but it does stay up pretty well. It fits really nicely down here, and the elastic is super nice. Like it doesn't cut into your ears or anything because it's a really soft elastic.
I think this mask is completely adorable. I mean, while it was almost $15, I think it's worth it, right?
Definitely.
Like if you want to pair it as a style with your outfit, I would say go for it.
Go for it.
10 on 10.
So let's get into the second one.
So the second item that we saw was the iconic CC or Chanel, I'm doing air quotes here, Chanel earrings. It said gold inspired earrings, designer charms, gold earrings, complimentary prior to USPS shipping, and the shipping was free. It cost $32.98, but with tax it was $35.70.
So this did take the longest to come. It took 2 weeks, but they were probably backed up on orders. So it comes with a thank you note and a business card, which has a QR code on the back. And this one did just come from Houston, Texas. So let's open the earrings. They come in a small little box, and
oh, that's pretty
and stuff. And they are quite pretty.
Let me see one. Oh wow, these are pretty. So as you can see, this is what they look like. Very pretty. The iconic CC. I mean, they're pretty true to the actual ones. Of course, this is not gold or diamonds or anything, but they're really pretty.
And I'll just wear one for you guys to show you how it looks. Ooh. So that's how it looks. That's how this one looks.
Oh my God, they're gorgeous. Wear the other one as well.
They do look like they're real, and they feel super nice, and they're not like the itchy metal. I'm pretty sure it's sterling silver. The price, I'm pretty sure it is.
It could be, yes.
Ooh. I'm having some trouble grabbing the back.
Oh, the back is escaping. I think this is
front.
beautiful. I think this is really beautiful. They look so nice.
They look gorgeous. They feel nice. They're really light.
Yeah.
You would have thought them to be like heavy, but they feel really light.
And you can see the close up here as to how they look. I think this is a thumbs up, right? For sure. Thumbs up. 10 on 10. So the next item that we ordered was a LV inspired anklet. I ordered an anklet, but I thought I could wear it as a bracelet. The cost was $15, and with taxes and shipping was $4. It cost us $20.57. Oh, they sent a handwritten note.
Handwritten thank you note. which has some gorgeous calligraphy and stamping done on it. So here's how the packaging comes. It comes in a little plastic bag, and it has the thing. It says the name of the company that we bought it from, Knox.x, and it's really gorgeous. Oh, it's double layered.
Mm-hmm.
So can I see your arm? There we go.
Oh, that's pretty. I think it looks so cute with the hearts and the cross thing.
It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. As you can see, it looks really, really, really pretty.
It does look real.
Yeah, it does look real.
It feels real. There is even a bit of like leather that says LV on there.
Oh, does it?
In the heart.
Oh yeah, it has a leather-like thing in the heart, which has the LV. It doesn't have the logo. It just has a star, which is the copy thing. This kind of a star. So which is really pretty. I think this is so worth it for like 20 bucks. This is so worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we would definitely buy this one again.
Yeah. So 10 on 10.
For like gifts and stuff.
Yeah.
And I like how it has the double layering, you know, with the chunky chain and
Yeah.
then the thin chain. It really adds something to it.
Yeah,
So
I think we could get a lot of wear out of this.
a lot of wear.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
This is a good buy.
This is a thumbs up from
Yeah.
us.
So the next thing we ordered was a bucket hat. Bucket hats are so in, right? They look
Yes.
so cute.
So
So we saw one which says bucket hats, fashion designer inspired nylon hat. It costs $79, and then
so it is on the more expensive side.
yeah, the shipping was $650. Sorry, the sales tax was $652. It's free shipping, and the total was $85.52. And this came in actually 2 days.
So first we got the Fendi style in this one because they were actually sold out of a bunch of their style. So it has a tag that says Fendi on it.
Of course, it is not original Fendi.
And then here's.
Oh my God, this is adorable.
I feel so swag.
Yeah, this is really cute.
It's really cute. It would take a few wears because it does have creasing from being shipped.
Mm-hmm.
But it came in a double mailer, so they have their original mailer and then they have their UPS trailer.
Yeah, so they made sure that they packed it nice so they didn't get wet or anything or get spoiled. And it came within 2 days, which was shocking. But I think it's gorgeous.
I
It
think
looks
it's
so
adorable. It's really nice. You just want to keep hat to wear with your outfit.
cute. Yeah, I think you can style it so many ways. Like, so this is a good buy.
So yeah, I would say go for this one.
10 on 10.
10 on 10.
So the last thing we ordered was a belt. This is the explanation said, Valentine gift, handmade classic leather belt for women, belts for women, black leather belt, handmade belt, handmade. And the cost was $90.95, and with taxes it was $98.45.
How long does this take to come?
This was, I think, 4 or 5 days. It
But
wasn't
this
very long.
did come from Turkey.
Yeah, no, it wasn't 4 or 5 days. It was almost 2 weeks, I think.
Yeah, this one took 2 weeks because it was from Turkey.
Yeah.
And so let's start off. The box. Let's start off. The box looks real. Like it looks like a real Gucci box. And then we get into the belt.
There was no dust cover in it.
No, it's just the belt. And it didn't come with anything else in the bag, just our belt.
Just this, yeah.
It comes, you know, with our GGs that we ordered. So let's just take it out. And it is covered in plastic because
Yeah.
keep the metal safe.
And at the back of the belt,
The belt looks well.
oh, the back of the belt, I ordered 115 centimeters centimeters. And it says genuine leather in gold. The GG looks quite authentic.
It does look pretty. Authentic.
Yeah.
It's a little scratched up on the back. Though.
Yeah.
So
unless people know it's not real, they would not know it's not real.
and it is a pretty adorable belt, you know.
Yeah.
You string it through here, and you know.
So I like this style because this way you don't have a loop hanging out, and it stays closed in. So I think this is a nice belt.
Super swaggy, super nice.
Yeah.
And I feel like if you didn't tell people that it was fake, they would.
Yeah,
think
they
that-
wouldn't know.
And you could always add more hole punches to make it.
Yeah,
tighter
I just ordered a longer
looser.
one because I wasn't sure if I wanted a shorter one and then regret ordering a shorter one. So we just ordered a longer one. But I mean, I think, yeah, this is a good purchase. Although this was expensive, but compare it to the actual price of a Gucci belt, which is around, I guess, between $600 to $800.
Yeah.
I think this is so worth it.
It's a steal.
Yeah, it's a steal.
So I would say 10 out of 10 for this one again.
Yeah. Thank you so much for joining us today and watching our video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what we could get from Etsy, which is designer dupes. Please remember these are similar, not the same. They are dupes, and if you look closely, you'll be able to make out that they are dupes, but they're very good dupes. They're like excellent dupes.
I would definitely recommend all of these.
Yeah.
Make sure to check them out and let us know if you have any designer dupes from Etsy or if you own a designer dupe business, and we'll be sure to check you out.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more content from us.
And bye.
Bye.